This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for August 3rd, 2020. Corn market up 1.5, soybeans up 2 3/4, Chicago wheat down 10 1/4, Minneapolis down 7.5, Kansas City down 11 3/4. For the corn and soybean markets, it's a matter of trying to make good things happen around key levels. The corn market holding support, at least for now, and this is a key price count here where if we cannot hold up around this 326, 327 mark, we open up the potential at 309 and then down to 297. So very important that we kind of hold up here, at least stall for the moment, hopefully try to catch some recovery and see an opportunity there nonetheless. Bean market, on the other hand, very much towards the upper end of the range that we've seen as of the last number of months. The market is coiling right now, so if we can get a trade above this 9 to 903 3/4, 907 area, you all of a sudden accelerate upside counts at 920 and 950. However, break down below 877, that continues to spell that 840 to 816 type level. So a little more volatility here ahead once soybeans kind of decide on the direction. Right now, with a little warmer and drier circumstances looking in the foreseeable future for the Western Corn Belt, maybe, just maybe, beans can make a good trade here. On the wheat market, just kind of stuck in a rut here and giving back a little bit after some gains for Chicago wheat last week. When you look, or I should say 2 weeks ago, feeder cattle up 20, lives up 20, hog market down 212.5. Hogs just continue to deal with too much production, not enough demand. Even though the demand's been reasonable versus historic average, and when you see on feed numbers or basically overall hog numbers that are 4% higher, it just doesn't spell a very good picture when we have okay demand along with it. On the feeder cattle side of things, we're really looking at both feeders and lives up against these kind of first or key resistance price counts here. We'll need to kind of watch to see if we can accelerate and begin to build here, but price counts for December live cattle right around that 113 and then upwards of 121. So some pretty lofty numbers. If we can put this together, we'll see what shakes loose. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.